Hi everyone, this is Miss Griffith. To continue on with a math review for the end of the school year, this video is going to be about triple digit subtraction without regrouping or borrowing. In this video, I'm going to go over how to subtract a 3-digit number from another 3-digit number. I am not going to be able to work through all of these problems for you. I'll only be able to do a handful, but the idea is that my learners at home are watching and they get to see me practice. The first problem is 747 take away 115. I am going to draw lines in between the ones, tens, and hundreds. I am going to start with the numbers in my ones column. 7 take away 5. If I need help figuring out 7 take away 5, I can certainly draw dots. I drew 7 dots to represent the 7, and now I'm going to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 dots remaining, so I'm going to write the number 2 directly below the ones column. Next, I have 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 4 take away 1 equals 3. So I'm going to put the 3 directly below that. Now that I'm done subtracting in the ones column and I've finished subtracting in the middle column, I can now subtract in the hundreds column. I have 7 take away 1. If I need help determining what 7 take away 1 is, I can draw dots. I drew 7 dots to represent the 7, and I'm going to cross out 1. I crossed out 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 remaining. My total answer when I took away 115 from 747 is 632. My next problem is 509. Take away 301. Once again, I'm drawing lines to help me separate the ones, tens, and hundred column. I'm going to start with the ones column and start subtracting there. 9 take away 1. I'm going to draw 9 dots to start with, and I'm going to take away 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots left, so I put that 8 directly under the numbers I just subtracted. When I move on to the tens column, I see 0 take away 0. If I start with 0 items and I don't take any away, I would still have 0. So I put a 0 directly underneath those. Now that I can move on to the subtraction in the hundreds column, I have 5 take away 3. I'm going to draw 5 dots and I'm going to take away 3. I have 1, 2. 2 dots left. After I put the 2 directly underneath the 5 and the 3, I have my answer of 208. The next problem is 773 take away 142. 3 take away 2 is 1. 7 take away 4 is 3. 7 take away 1 is 6. 631. My next problem is 578. Take away 427. Starting with the ones 8 take away 7 is 1. 7 take away 2 is 5. And last but not least, 5 take away 4 equals 1. The next problem reads, 759 take away 448. I'm going to start with 9 take away 8. That equals 1. 5 take away 4 equals 1. 7 take away 4 equals 3. My answer is 311. In this video, I worked my way through 5 triple-digit subtraction problems without borrowing or regrouping. The steps I needed to take to successfully complete these were, I needed to first start the subtraction in my ones column. I completed the subtraction and put the answer directly below the line. Once I completed the subtraction in the ones column, then I can move on to the subtraction in the tens column. Once I completed the subtraction in the tens column, I put the answer directly below that line. I then could finish off with the subtraction in the hundreds column and put that number below the line. This is just an example of how to solve 3-digit subtraction. Not all of my learners at home will be working on this, but this gives you an example of how it would be completed for those learners who are ready for this. Thank you for watching.